Hey, what's up guys? Let's make crispy Vietnamese crepe, Banh Xeo. Wow, do you guys hear that? There are so many ways to make Banh Xeo, from using coconut soda, Coco Rico, club sodas, cornstarch to even beer. Alright, let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 package of the Banh Xeo batter. Next, add in your water, turmeric, give it a mix. In goes your scallions. Whisk and combine well. Next, season your pork. Today I'm using pork loin and I'm just seasoning with just salt and pepper. Let your pan get hot with no oil, then bring it down to medium. Then add your fillings. Next, ladle a little bit of your batter and give it a swirl. Similar to making banh kun, you want to evenly coat the pan with the batter, followed by adding your bean sprouts and covering with the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the lid and drizzle a little bit of oil around the edges. Let this cook a little without the lid, give it a swirl, and gently fold. Enjoy this with nước mắm chấm, fish sauce dipping sauce, or nước chấm. Eat as a lettuce wrap with julienne cucumbers and veggies and herbs, or in a spring roll wrapper. Wow, look at that. Follow for more. These crepes are so delicious. They're crispy, paired up lettuce wrap, and I've seen it done where they use these spring roll wrappers too. The sauce is what makes it, right? It's the nước mắm or nước mắm chấm. And I have a recipe for this as well, which is scroll down through videos or head onto my YouTube. Mmm.